Alright guys, aspiring meteorologist Aiden Patterson here, and today is Sunday, May 9th, 2021 at 2:21 p.m. And I guess my prediction was wrong here. It's only a severe thunderstorm watch, but oh well, that's okay. I thought it was a tornado watch because of the tornado possible, but I guess not, but okay. That's okay. But anyway, we now have the first list of the severe thunderstorm watch counties for the Arkansas ones. So here we go with Arkansas, Calhoun, Cleburne, Conway, Drew, Grant, Howard, Lincoln, Miller, Nevada, Pike, Salina, and Van Buren. And then we have Ashley, Chillicothe, Cleveland, Dallas, Falconer, Hempstead, Jefferson, Little River, Monroe, Ouachita, Prairie, Sevier, and White, and Bradley, Clark, Columbia, Desha, Garland, Hot Spring, Lafayette, Lonoke, Montgomery, Perry, Pulaski, Union, and Woodruff. Wow, we have lots of counties. Alright, so now here's the Louisiana parishes. Bineville, Claiborne, Jackson, Ouachita, and Union. The second list is Booster, DeSoto, Lincoln, Red River, and Webster. And last list is Cato, East Carroll, Morehouse, Richland, and West Carroll. Mississippi counties, we have Bolivar, Leflore, and Washington. Second list, we have Humber Hayes and Sherry. Whoa, what happened? And is Queen and Sunflower. In the following Tennessee counties, Texas, is Bowie, Cherokee, Harrison, Nacogdoches, Shelby, and Upshur. Second list, we have Camp, Franklin, Marion, Panola, Smith, and Wood. In the third list, we have Cass, Gregg, Morris, Rusk, and Titus. Remember, severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, you should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. So stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Stay safe, everyone.